Tucked away in the prestigious gated community of Avalon in Cool Springs, Tennessee, is this magnificent mansion. It offers breathtaking sunset views from a stunning backyard oasis, an incredible entertainment center, and nearly 12,000 feet of elevated living. Let's take a look. This home is listed by the PARgh team, by Franklin.pargh and Hilary Radakovich. If you're interested in this property, you can find their information in our description down below. Now, they just had a price improvement on this property, so if you're looking to get into the luxury market, right now is the best time to do so. Real quick, before we get started, let's talk stats. So we've got 5 bedrooms, we've got 8.5 baths, and a staggering 11,847 square feet of living space. This is an incredible property. Let's take a look. Come inside with me. Into the foyer we go. You're immediately hit with 25-foot ceilings. It is absolutely unreal how high the ceilings are in this house. And then as you move into the first living space, you've got these custom arches and these columns that are incredible with such intricate design at the top. They look fantastic and match the theme of this home perfectly. And as we move further into this living space, we are hit with the most beautiful custom mantle. This is a theme throughout the house. You'll see many of these, and I think they are gorgeous. Just above, we've got a rustic white design here that looks fantastic. It's like an art piece in and of itself. On each side, we've got custom built-ins that look beautiful, and everyone just behind you is something I can't wait for you to see. This is breathtaking, looking out over the rolling hills of Tennessee and the most beautiful backyard oasis you can imagine. But you do not get to see that yet. Let's go back inside and finish the inside, and then we'll make it to the outdoors. We are back in the foyer now, but this time we're gonna head this way into the formal dining room. This is a fantastic space, plenty of room, and right over here you will see double doors, 2 sets of 10-foot double doors that open up to the outside. I love that. I love the flow in here and how everything seems to move in and out of the house with ease. From there, we're gonna make our way into the butler's pantry. We've got a wine chiller here, just so it's a little closer to the dinner table. And then we make our way further into the breakfast room. This is an awesome little breakfast room, beautifully lit, so much window space. I mean, it's incredible how much light comes in here towards the start of the day when the sun is on that side of the house. There's also an exit at the breakfast room into a front patio that is enclosed away from the street. There's a fountain. It is a wonderful place. You can set up a little breakfast table for outside seating as well. Now, one of my favorite parts of every home, let's make our way into the kitchen. One of the first things I noticed was this integrated Sub-Zero fridge. I think it's absolutely stunning and massive, which is very nice for a big family living in this house. You walk over here and you've got the Viking stove, 8-burner gas stove, beautiful range hood up above it. And then this copper wash basin for the sink. As this ages, it will only look better and better. So I am a huge fan of that aesthetic. Granite countertops look fantastic. The double oven over here, pretty much anything you could possibly need in a kitchen, you've got, including this expansive island that people can sit at, use as a bar. You could serve your guests. It's incredible space here for entertaining. One more room off the side of the kitchen that I want to show you, and that is the wine room. Beautiful brick goes all the way up to a semi-domed sort of ceiling there. Plenty of space to keep your wine in here, a massive wine chiller, and there's another one down behind you. Very, very cool. I love this room a lot. It is beautiful, rustic, looks very medieval in a way. Before we get out of the kitchen, let's check out a few more things off of the side here. We have one of the 4-car garages accessed directly here from the side of the kitchen, and then into the biggest pantry I think I have ever been in. Now, I don't hang out in pantries often, but I will say out of the ones that I have frequented, this one is the largest by a mile. Let's get into the living space now. So just in front of the kitchen, you'll see this expansive opening. Incredible, I love this. I do not like sealed off kitchens, so the fact that this is open concept and completely opens up into the living area blows my mind. That is how I like to live. Up here, we've got another custom mantle. This is a wood-burning fireplace, which is my personal favorite, and I think this is an incredible area to entertain. Again, we have built-ins on each side of the mantle that are fantastic. They look great and match the aesthetic of all of the white trim, the molding, the crown molding throughout the house. Up above, the ceilings are quite tall. We have an exposed beam look that's whitewashed, and it looks fabulous. Come with me now as we walk back towards the foyer. This door is actually an elevator. So it's a fully accessible home. The elevator takes you to the second floor and back again if that is what you choose to do. This is one of my favorite touches on the house. If you'll get a shot of this for them down below, we have a gorgeous cross pattern with the hardwood around the tile flooring. I love a mixed medium flooring. I think it is such a nice touch, very unique. You do not see this a lot, and it's beautiful in this home. Into the master bedroom we go, and what a grand entrance this is. Again with the ceilings, about 15-foot ceilings in here, I'd say. Unbelievable crown molding, beautiful, beautiful touches, and what panoramic views you get from this room. From the bed here, you can see out into the hills of Tennessee. You can see right out over the pool. Such a gorgeous aesthetic. It's actually unbelievable that this is all seen from the master bedroom. Here's another touch of the master suite I think is pretty cool. They've got a wine cooler here, a little sink, and you've also got access to the back patio. If you want to hop in the jacuzzi or anything late at night, you can go straight there and don't have to trek through an 11,000 square foot house. Now, this bathroom is probably my favorite part of this house, the master bedroom suite bathroom. Look at this. This is incredible, a soaking tub. In the dead center, it just makes a statement. It's extremely bold. And if that's not cool enough, have a look at this shower, all right? We have got 2 showers in one. We've got 2 full separate controls, nozzles, heat. Guys, look, in every relationship, there is one person that wants boiling water and one person that doesn't. You can now do that and still enjoy your time together. I love that touch. Over here, we've got another vanity. We've got the washroom in there, and we are now in one of the walk-in closets. This one is fantastic. We've got drawers back here. You could put jewelry, watches, whichever you want. Prep your things, get ready, ties, cufflinks, the works, and that's about it. Let's get into the other one. There is one more full-size closet, which is pretty cool if you ask me. This place is massive. A little bit different orientation as this one is diagonal, but depending on what you like, this might be the one for you. Now there's a few different ways that you can exit the master suite. We're gonna show you a couple of those. First off, you do have one of 3 different laundry rooms in the house right here off the master suite, which makes it very, very convenient. Let's take a couple steps down these stairs and check out the basement. We've got another washroom here off to the side. We've got a copper sink, which is super cool. It's a half bathroom here, and then into a cozy little basement area. You could turn this into a reading nook or use it for just about anything you'd like. We have a wine chiller again, some granite countertop here, another nice copper sink, and a mirror. Very nice little space, very cozy. Now, if you exit up these stairs, you'll actually be back in the foyer. We can show you where those come up to later, but we're actually gonna go back up the way that we came down, and I'm gonna show you another exit from the master suite. Now through this beautiful farm style door just off of the master bathroom, I want to show you something very, very cool. We've got so many access points to this room and area, and this is one of my favorites. So if you walk right up those short stairs, you land yourself in what I like to call the study. We've got built-in shelves you can use as bookshelves. You could read in here. You could set up a desk and have this as an office space. And the fact that you've got that easy access from the master suite, but also to the rest of the house is very, very cool. Let me just show you where we are right now. For those watching and don't really know orientation of exactly where we ended up, we're back at the entryway. That's the formal dining room there and the foyer. So that is where we are. We're gonna head back the other direction though, as there is another way to exit that master suite. Now, when we came up from the bathroom into the study, you can actually hang a right turn here and go further up some more stairs. I'm making Nate go up a lot of stairs today. You feeling okay, buddy? All right. He's all right. So I was calling this sort of a nursery area, but this could also be used as a multimedia room. You could put a pool table here. You could turn this into a game room, a multimedia room of any capacity, and it would definitely work. Plenty of storage space to keep board games, whatever you want in this space. That basically wraps up the master suite and entire side of the house there, everything up above it. Now, before we go back down, let's just continue up again. We were on a little split level there, a couple more steps to get the rest of the way up. This is a very, very cool room that I want to show you all. It's a little hard to open this door, but for a reason. It's sealed. This is actually a cedar storage closet. If you're not aware, a cedar storage closet is used to store things that you do not want to get eaten up by insects, moths, and other critters. It actually has natural oils in the wood that is a deterrent to them, so it'll keep your things nice and safe up here. Pretty cool touch. You'll find that only in luxury homes. Come with me, let's take a look at this amazing room, the gym area. This gym is awesome. Could you imagine you're running on the treadmill over here, you're repping things out, and you're looking out over this valley. You can see the pool out of this window. You can see the entire valley and rolling hills beyond, all of the foliage, all the plant life. It looks incredible. To have a gym in this area, beautiful. I love it. There's also a storage room off to this side, and you could store any extra exercise equipment, bands, whatever it is that you have, towels, you name it, in there. Now have a look at arguably the coolest room in this house. It is the movie theater. This movie theater has a full service area with ice machine. We've got a fridge. We have a microwave, plenty of space to serve your guests. You can keep all the movies and anything extra in there. And this gorgeous screen, amazing Sony projector up top, and tiered seating. It is not common to see tiered seating in a home movie theater, but they had the space to do it, and they did it well in this home. And now for the moment you've been waiting for, let's take a look outside. Now I could get used to this. This is not just a back patio. This is quite literally an oasis, a resort, if you will, in your own backyard. You've got a massive jacuzzi up here, entertainment center, and a fireplace outdoors, tons of seating. There's a full service grill and kitchen area over there. The structure of the home is concave completely around this outdoor area. And like I said earlier, every single one of these rooms that touch this front open up to this balcony. So you can open the double doors for the kitchen, for the living room here, and everyone can just flood out and enjoy this incredible view. Take a look. It is so stunning. It is surreal hearing the water coming from this waterfall here. This is another jacuzzi, by the way, with stone around it. And then of course, the infinity edge pool. This is a saltwater pool, so if anyone has issues with chlorine, this will be a lot better on your skin. Incredible, incredible pool. We've got a gorgeous waterfall here. And then as we walk down to this terrace, we are now at the outdoor fire pit where you could sit down and enjoy yourselves, have a drink, after a hard day of work. There's attention to detail everywhere. This rock pit here is actually a gas fireplace as well that you can spark up after it gets dark, and it looks fantastic. What a wonderful, wonderful experience this is. Last thing I'd like to note, this house is on an acre of land, and it's also fenced in. If you've got a dog or kids playing out here, they're gonna be nice and safe. We are at the uppermost, furthest back point in the prestigious Avalon community in Cool Springs, Tennessee. If you're interested in this property and would like to inquire, you can check out our description below. There's a link to the PARgh team where you can find Franklin.pargh and Hilary Radakovich, who will help you out in checking out this listing. Thank you so much to the PARgh team for letting us come out today and check out this home. I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments what kind of house you'd like to see next. Take care and have a wonderful day.